welcome to our special segment Dynamic Maharashtra. We are here with some important news related to the progress of the state and also the convenience of its citizens. Now let's take a look at today's major developments. The government is striving to make the judicial process in the country more effective. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated an exhibition in Mumbai on the new criminal laws. Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam. Replacing old colonial laws, these three legislations symbolize the protection of citizens' rights and the strengthening of democracy. They are set to transform the structure and approach of the country's judicial system, said Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The Bharatiya Sakshi Adhiniyam has given official recognition to digital and forensic evidence, marking a historic shift in judicial process. Currently, the conviction rate in Maharashtra stands at 53%, which has the potential to rise to 90%. And the concept of date after date will now come to an end, ensuring timely completion of cases and delivery of justice. Technology use has increased for cybercrime investigations and modern probes. The Chief Minister congratulated the Home Department and the police force, expressing confidence that Maharashtra will lead the nation in effective implementation of these laws.
विशेषतः 14 शासन निर्णयातनं आपण 53% पर्यंत आता पोहोचलो आहोत. पण हे जे नवीन कायदे तयार झालेले आहेत, हे नवीन कायदे आपल्याला 90% पर्यंत नेऊ शकतात. अशा पद्धतीची या कायद्यांनी व्यवस्था उभी केली आहे.
High quality seed production and also development are crucial for sustainable agriculture. Emphasis is being placed on quality and safe seeds to increase farmers' income and also protect the environment. The Asian Seed Congress 2025 was inaugurated in Mumbai by Chief Minister Fadnavis and also Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So this seed conference is being held in India after nearly 10 years, and Maharashtra hosting this historic event is a matter of pride. Maharashtra has decided to bring at least 25 lakh hectares under natural farming in the next 2 to 3 years. Representatives from over 50 countries has participated in the conference. In the 6th National Water Awards presented by the Ministry of Jal Shakti for excellence in water management and conservation, Maharashtra was honored as the best state. The award was presented by President Draupadi Murmu and also accepted by State Water Resources Minister Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil on behalf of Maharashtra. Along with this major achievement, 2 other institutions from Maharashtra also received awards in important categories. Navi Mumbai Municipal Corporation secured first place in the Best Urban Local Body category, and the award was accepted by Commissioner Dr. Kailash Shinde. Being recognized as the best state is it for Maharashtra. A meeting was held at the Mantralaya under the chairmanship of Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis regarding the issue of leopard attacks in the state. The Chief Minister directed that a proposal to declare leopard attacks on humans as a state disaster should be placed before the cabinet. He also instructed that leopards are being removed from Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act and included in Schedule 2, and a proposal for this should be prepared and submitted. To control leopards attacking humans, cages should be installed immediately at necessary locations. Also, the CM has directed the concerned department to start 2 rescue centers in Pune district as soon as possible for the treatment and rehabilitation of leopards.
पुणे जिल्हा, अहिल्यानगर जिल्हा, नाशिक जिल्हा, कोकणचा आपला रत्नागिरी आणि तिकडचाही काही भाग असा वेगवेगळ्या भागामध्ये जिकडं बिबट्यांची संख्या वाढतीये. ही संख्या वाढलेली असताना याची अवस्था करायचा म्हणून तातडीची आज मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी मीटिंग आयोजित केलेली होती, आणि त्या मीटिंगमध्ये ताबडतोब काही गोष्टी अशा आहेत की त्या तातडीने सुरू करण्याची गरज आहे.
To provide players from rural and tribal areas of the state an opportunity to prove themselves at the international level, the state government is implementing the Mahadeva Football Initiative. So this will give rural players access to an international platform, as said by the Chief Minister. In the presence of the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, a memorandum of understanding was signed between the school education and also the sports department, Maharashtra Institution for Transformation and actor Tiger Shroff. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of Dynamic Maharashtra. See you next week with more updates from the city. Till then, stay tuned.